Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the color palette on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. Now from here, just tap on color palette. Now just enable this toggle to enable the color palette on your smartphone. Now from here, if you scroll down, you will have the option for a few color combinations which are extracted from the wallpaper on your smartphone. Just like that. And as you can see, as I change the color from here, the color is changing in the preview. Just like that. Now if you tap on basic colors, you will have the option for a few solid colors. Just like that. Now to apply the color palette on your smartphone, just tap on apply. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now if you go back, you will see that we have successfully applied the color palette on our smartphone. Just like that. Now if you want to apply the color palette on the app icons on your smartphone, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. Now from here, just tap on color palette. Now just enable this toggle to apply the color palette on the app icons on your smartphone. Now just tap on apply. Now if you go to your home screen, now as you can see, we have successfully applied the color palette on the app icons on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the color palette on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.